I'm happy to share this moment with you. And before we get started with the inquiry of the self, I want to state that I don't claim to be an expert, and I don't want to come across as if I knew the ultimate answer to any profound question. I'm basically a student of life with a passion for what I talk about on this channel, and I enjoy sharing this experience with you. So please keep in mind that whenever I say something subjective, which I do basically all the time, I do so with good intentions, hoping that you can benefit from it, but I do not claim that is the ultimate truth, because I simply don't know. I'd, as usual, like for us to become aware of the present moment first. If not already so, get into a comfortable position and get easy. Breathe deeply into your belly and feel your body gradually calming down. As you free yourself from more and more things that just minutes earlier you maybe haven't really been conscious of, and perhaps you have simply accepted as part of who you really are, the question may arise: who or what am I really? What is the quintessence of me? Or, to get to the point, who am I? The mind may come up with answers, and they are thoughts. They may, for example, be prejudices, ideologies, and emotions. But the more centered we get, the more empty we perceive ourselves to be, and the more clueless we might get. A turning point happened for me when I watched a video by Adyashanti where he talked about exactly that. When someone told him that she didn't find anything that could be her, and that there is basically nothing there, he went one step deeper by asking, who is perceiving that there is nothing there? I'm somewhat hesitant to throw constructs in the room because I don't want to add anything to what the mind comes up with when faced with the question, who am I? But on my pursuit of finding out about myself, this is where I'm at, or at least at this moment, this is where I'm at. To me, we are conscious awareness, or as the producer Captain Hook puts it in one of his tracks, and I think I might be wrong, that's what he is referring to, the ever-present silent observer. Again, I might be completely wrong, but to my knowledge, that is the deepest essence of myself that I have yet encountered. At least, that's what I can say on a conscious level. Please don't see this as a fixed answer to this fundamental question, and that there is no need to look any further. If you think you know the answer to such profound questions, you most likely are identified with the mind, dwelling in an illusion. The good thing about me talking about this is that perhaps it makes you think about that possibility, and most of all, it should motivate you to become present and to observe your experience of life and everything that comes with it. Who knows? Perhaps this conscious awareness lets you go deeper and brings you closer to the answer of this question than I am with what I've told you. I wish you all the best and lots of fun with the inquiry of your true nature. Take care. Bye.